Pattern C. The next pattern is a bit more advanced than the previous ones as it contains 7 notes. Now, if we move it in the scale shape, it will sound like this, or like this. This pattern also involves a part where you play the same fret but on different strings, so you might need to involve your middle finger in some positions. Playing the pattern from the 6th string will look like this. Now from the 5th and 4th strings, you need to involve your middle finger like this. Playing from the 3rd string looks like this. And playing from the 2nd string, you need to use your ring finger when jumping between the 1st and 2nd strings right here. And just like the other patterns, you can't start this one from the 1st string since it involves 2 strings. One hint here is that this pattern always starts with either the ring or pinky finger, and it always ends on the index finger. This pattern can be a bit tricky, but it's a great finger exercise and a great way to practice the scale shape.